I am a youth.
I'm the future, and Nob Digital is my training ground.
I am a professional dedicated in crafting digital experiences and providing marketing support.
In today's world, technology is not just a tool, it is a way of life.
At Nob Digital, we don't just embrace the future, we shape it with boldness and unwavering vision.
I believe that people deserve to be involved and included.
Through Kesho Yetu, we initiate change that blossom into waves of progress.
Together, we forge a path towards the future we will all admire. Welcome to the community.